Roush Performance, known for its aftermarket tuning of Ford Mustangs, has shifted its focus to the F-Series with the introduction of the 2024 Super Duty package for the F-250/350 Lariat models. This comprehensive overhaul offers owners the opportunity to upgrade their turbo diesel V8-powered pickups with a range of enhancements. The customization process starts with a selection of 10 body color options, including glacier gray and darkened bronze metallic, followed by the integration of wider arches and accent lighting to enhance the vehicle's presence on the road. To improve both ride quality and off-road capability, Roush installs a high-performance suspension kit and equips the Super Duty with 35-inch all-terrain tires mounted on new 20-inch satin black alloy wheels. Additionally, performance brakes are fitted for enhanced stopping power. For an aggressive exhaust note, dual-tipped exhaust systems are added, complemented by Roush vinyls across the windscreen, bonnet, and reworked front grille badge. Inside the cabin, upgrades include embroidered headrests, new floor liners, and the option for a premium leather package, featuring coffee brown leather seats. However, the customization options don't stop there, as owners can also opt for a locking center console and an off-road utility kit, complete with essential tools and amenities for outdoor adventures. Overall, the 2024 Super Duty package from Roush Performance offers a comprehensive transformation of the F-Series trucks, combining enhanced performance, rugged styling, and interior comfort for an elevated driving experience.